So now my book is finally out, and I wrote it to help those people who are very confused, or what they call this, who has reached the point wherein they want to give up. Here in Canada, we don't use the word suicide, we call it mental health issues. And sadly, 3 years ago, I think 2 years, no, yeah, 3 years ago or four, it was, yeah, it was already like 5 years ago, because it was like right after COVID. We have a coworker who took his life by taking, I mean, by doing overdose, took so much, yeah, pills and killed himself. He- And we were shocked because he's very young. He was around 25. And then I remember I also experienced that when I was 22, when I thought I don't want to live anymore because it's too painful. It's I was just so blessed because Jesus came when I prayed, and I was asking him for permission. I was telling him, please do not send me to hell. I'm just gonna do this because I cannot take it anymore. And I was surprised because after saying that, I cried so much, and suddenly he spoke and stopped me and comforted me by saying, from then on, he'll take over. Because I said, I give up. I don't want anymore. I cannot take another day. That's it. It's too much. I want you to know that God is real. That's the reason I wrote the book. I want you to know that yes, this life is difficult. It's difficult for everyone, including your parents and your friends. We became very good in pretending that life is so good all the time. No, it's not. It's even seldom that life is good. It's always difficult. But there's a big difference the moment Jesus comes, and then if you if you continue to have a relationship with him and ask for his Holy Spirit, life will have meaning. I am not joking. This is a serious stuff, I'm telling you. Find out. Find out the meaning of life by discovering Jesus. He is real. He is the way out. Don't lose another day not knowing that. Bye, guys.